I want to quickly show you how you can set up your own voicemail to be added to your OneTech Coach account. So if you have not set that up for your phone line, you want to take some time to do that. Okay, so I am logged into my Simplify One Thing account. I am on the Launchpad. I'm going to click on the settings in the bottom left corner, and I am going to go to my business profile. I'm going to scroll down until I see this section where call and voicemail settings is listed. Over here, I've just changed my incoming call timeout to 10 seconds. That's plenty of time for the call to ring. And right here was where I uploaded the voicemail recording, and I just hit the save button, save call settings button, and it did the trick. I have called my number to test it to make sure the voice message looks good and all that good stuff. Okay, so please note that it only takes MP3 or WAV type of file for your voicemail recording. And the way I did that was I went to my computer's voice app. It's called Sound Recorder. I clicked on that and I opened it up and I literally just recorded my voicemail. I had to do multiple tries for it to look beautiful, but this is what that looked like. I don't know if it's being visible to you or not with this recording. Hopefully it is. Okay, so I just recorded the audio with that and it saved it to my computer. I clicked on in the top right corner where the three dots are and clicked on show in folder. It took me to the folder where it saved the file. So this is how many different turns I took to record this voicemail greeting. Okay, and then I named it however I wanted to name the file, and it produced an not MP3, an M4A file. So I needed an MP3 or a WAV, a wave file. So here is a little trick how I fixed that. So I basically went to this website. It is called CloudConvert.com. And over there, I basically selected the file. I said audio, I picked M4A. Then I went for the to format, I selected MP3 from the list and I uploaded the file. I had clicked, there was an option to add a file or upload a file. I just clicked on that and browsed to the file where it was saved on my computer. It was this one, let's say, and I uploaded the file and then I hit the convert button and it converted the file and I was able to download it from here into this MP3 version. And once I had the file, then I was able to upload it to OneTech Coach right here by going to the upload button and I was able to browse to the file and grab it. And that's it. That's how I was able to do this. So after I have figured all of these steps out, it should not take you a whole lot of time to do this because I've already done the work for you. So I hope this helps you. So get your voicemail set up as soon as possible. May peace and blessings be with you.